How to fix if your TP-Link Deco is flashing red. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will talk about some of the troubleshooting steps that you can apply if your TP-Link's Deco is flashing red. Firstly, you need to remove any obstructions, that is by ensuring that Deco is not blocked by any objects or other electronics, and position is closer to the router if necessary. Another thing you can do is restart the mesh network. For this, you have to go and open Deco application. You can easily find it on Play Store or App Store as TP-Link Deco. After that, go to the network icon, select your router and go to the menu icon. Choose reboot option to refresh the device. After that is done, you can power cycle the internet devices, turn off the router and disconnect all the Deco units. Unplug the modem and any cables from the wall jack for about 3 minutes. Reconnect everything and restart the devices. Also make sure to tighten or replace any loose or damaged cables connecting to the power outlet, wall jack or splitter. Additionally, make sure to update the firmware if available. This is usually found on the Deco app written as More and on the system. Click on the option of Update Deco to download and install any available firmware updates. So these are all of the steps that can help you resolve the red flashing light on your TP-Link Deco. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.